Hello, Shadow Silver. What's up? I'm doing a full-on Godot session today. Perhaps on Blender, just exploring the engine, trying to learn some stuff. Banging your head against NFS network shares. Oh, that sounds like fun. Pokemon. That's nice. I've never tried the Switch. Haven't played anything on it. But it seems to be popular. Oh, wait. Fuck. I need some offset kind of thing. Yeah, this is probably it. There we go. Mm. There we go. Hello, Boy Scout. It's very much end of life. Switch 2 rumors have been around for years. Okay. Yeah, I didn't even realize that Switch is so old. Hello, Boy Scout. Yeah, we're doing some Godot and maybe some Blender today. I'm just trying to explore the Godot engine. Okay, so there's some kind of bounding box for the... Oh, cool. I'm trying to... I have this little thing here. That is this blue outline box is kill zone. So I want to have something emitting from it. Ah, there we go. Wait, what is this bounding box for? I wonder. Huh. Oops. I want some particles emitting from the Oh, it's the... What does KP7 mean? KP7? What the fuck is that? Is it the function keys? Because it's not 7 on the keyboard. It's not 7 on the numpad. Oh, it is 7 on the numpad with numlock. Huh. Okay. Oops. How do I just pan? Oh, there it is. Front is 1. Where's my scene? Oh, there it is. Hmm. I just want a little particle system to emit around the kill zone thing. So there's something just indicating that there's something bad going on here. So don't step on the plate. Okay. So the checkbox, it's emitting. Amount controls the maximum number of particles, amount ratio, properties, the radio of particles compared to the amount that will be emitted. So where's the pre-process? Okay, I want to change the how it looks. How the do I do that? Okay, that's mm, and it's this particle process material that actually makes up the. I think. Yeah, there we have it. Okay, let's turn off turbulence. Let's see how this looks when you play. Ooh, I have running browser now. Cool. I tried the game yesterday in wait, why isn't it? Why isn't it updating? That's weird. Seems like the window is frozen. Now it seems to be working. Yeah. Yeah, it's a nice sound, right? So much fun. Yeah, there's the particle system I just added. So it tells me that something fishy is going on here. So if I walk on it, I die. I also added a counter for how many times I've tried the level. I have a counter for time and a sausage counter. Hello, Hagenbart. What's up? I have a problem with the counter though, because it just continues. It's not calculating properly. It should be calculating each game level as a specific property, but it doesn't. Wait, the music isn't audible. Oh, it's not because I didn't start it properly. Yeah, never mind. I started from the level and not from the... Because if I... Let's just complete this. So I have level transitions, but if I start from here, then I have music. Dead. Good game. Yay. So here actually there is a total time and thing printing out, but it's not oh, now the window froze again. There's something with tabbing. I don't know if I need to... Can I do anything that actually... Okay, so I need to actually click inside the window. No. Yeah. No. No, it's just there's something with the window capture in OBS. Um, yeah, it seems to be freezing when if I tab. Okay, now it seems to be working all right. What if I tab? And then back to the game. Now it seems to be... Huh. Seems to be working all the time now. So maybe it's actually the... the property of interesting. Yeah, it's a bit glitchy, but I actually think I should make the collision box a little bit bigger. Is this AI song, or did you actually get someone to sing about the Silver Kingdom? No, it's an AI song. Gulp made it. So let's make the collision box bigger. Actually, maybe we can just pull it up. Then we can take the particles cloud and move it down. So now we have a collision box that is like kind of makes it believable that it's the particles that are somehow dangerous. Yeah, let's just have it like that. Yeah, I was trying some stuff out. Let's see if I can restart this. Yeah, this works. Cool. Although the size of the window is wrong. Interesting. There we go. No, that's wrong. Okay. Why? Oh well. Oh well. Oh, hang on. No, it wrong window. There it is. Okay, now it's making more sense to me. I was trying this out. So this is a starter kit for a 3D platformer. There it is. There it is. Now you should see it. Ah. Oh, I hate the camera control here, though. Oh, shit. Fuck. As hard as Dark Souls. Oh yeah, this is some special sauce. Now I was looking into this project because I wanted to understand better how games were made in Godot. More specifically, how they were structured. So it's the file system layout and how the scenes are related to each other. So we have this shows it better. So we have a main scene that is kind of the root node of the game. And then in the main scene you have some stuff. Player, you have the world. View is just the camera. So basically we have a root node, and in the root node we have the player, we have the level, and we have the camera. And the HUD, the UI. So this is what I wanted to figure out. How to do it. Because I'm not doing it like this in my game. Scenes are just reusable game entities. Yeah, exactly. They are, yeah, they are basically a kind of an entity, yeah. And everything is node based. So you have this tree structure. So there's a lot of stuff to figure out, like how are the scenes communicate, or the instances of scenes communicating with each other and stuff like that. A lot of things that I have no fucking clue. And this is one of those things, how you best structure your project. Because my UI, like the counters, is not a proper HUD like this. It's not a UI component. It's instead it's actually labels inside the camera, which is a little bit weird. But I didn't know how to do it at first. But yeah, so if we look at the HUD here, you can see this is actually what is shown on the UI, on the hood. So it's just a coin counter. So up in the corner here. I think we need to look through the camera to see it. So if we take the camera preview, no, it's not. It's just showing up. Yeah, I'm not sure. I thought it would be showing up here, since we're clicking on the. Maybe because the hood is a 2D object, and this is the 3D viewport. And the main is a node 3D. I think you can use signals to decouple it. Yeah, exactly. That's one of the main mechanisms for communicating between different modules or entities, that you use signals. And I have not learned that yet. It's still confusing to me. But yeah, so when we run the scene, we actually get the counter. like the HUD is showing. It doesn't show up. Kenny is such a treat. Yeah, he really is. Okay, I need to actually click inside the window for it to like come alive. I think this is just yeah, as soon as I start to move the window, it seems to freeze. I think this is just seems to be buggy in OBS. Super annoying, because I need to constantly check if it's actually moving on the in OBS. This is really fucking annoying. Oh. I don't understand this. I do not understand why it's behaving like this. This is actually not. Yeah, this beats me. Got this bundle when it was free a while back, so now I have a digital pile of shame. Yeah, Kenny has so many things. You have the I meant to check the other stuff too that he has. So you actually have in the asset library. Let's see if we can get the Godot. Let's lose those, and then there we go. In the project manager here, we have, if I just search for Kenny. Oh no, it's starter, maybe. Yeah, starter kits. So we have the FPS, we have the platformer, 3D platformer, which I was looking through. We have the city builder, and this is all free. Yeah, so we have FPS, city builder, and 3D platformer. That's just the Kenny things. And in the asset library, there are like, I don't know how many different stuff. I haven't started looking at these things at all yet, because I thought I have this philosophy that the best way to learn is to actually make everything manually first, and then before I start to look at tools to do it stuff for me. Pushes updates as well. Yeah, he's incredible. That I'm following him on Twitter, and I just recently saw that he was just remaking a lot of his asset packs, like the free asset packs, just because he learned he got better in Blender. So he just like, yeah, I want to remake it to make it more, to make it even better, and it's still free. Like, yeah, it's just amazing. And the assets he makes are so nice. They're really, really good. And by looking at his assets, I'm actually learning how to make my own assets. So it's really good of him to make this stuff free. So let's see how Oh yeah, this is stuff I shouldn't be. I'm doxing myself a little bit. Um, Not too bad though, but still, it's a little bit annoying. Let's see, main. There it is. Didn't see anything. You might have censored it already. Oh, okay. Yeah, probably it switched. Did something, switch windows or something, and then the window capture didn't follow through. So in this in this instance, it actually worked in my favor. That's cool. Let's run this game and see. Holy shit. See if we can catch the game window. Seems like we can. Yeah. Okay. Oh shit. There was a recoil. I didn't. Whoa! I killed the fucking alien. Whoa. Die. He just refused to die. No! I fell off. Shit. I'm really terrible at this. Whoa, this was actually fun. Ah, shit. Yeah, this is the upcoming StarCraft FPS. The never released Ghost. So we just need to find I think it's too far away. Huh. Yeah, we made it. Woo! Pretty cool. I mean, this is just the starter kit. Oh, there's even a health bar. I didn't see that. In the lower left corner. It says 40%. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, shit. Let's see what happens if we die. Okay, it just restarts. Okay, cool. That was fun. Craft Star Spooky. Is that what we'll call it? Yeah, so the structure is the same here. See, we have a main, we have a player, we have a HUD, we have enemies, we have level and decoration. So this is, my plan is to make it possible to do this exact structure, but level is dynamic. So whenever I change something, or whenever I can just change the level and then keep the rest. Wonder how... Look at player, target. Raycast muscle B. Yeah. This is just trying to figure out how stuff is like holding together. This I have no idea what it is. Subgroup, export subgroup. Hello, Colossal. Yeah, we made another game now. We're making the Ghost. Okay, it's not showing up again. There it is. Ah, fuck. I keep forgetting about the recoil. That's why I keep dying. Ah, I wanted to hide behind the... Whoa. Do you see one shot? Headshot. 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 Not really, but... Headshot. You know why it's a headshot? Because the dude is only a head. So it's always a fucking headshot. It's pretty smooth. So yeah, we're gonna do the StarCraft Ghost. FPS now. Could also be a screen shit. A screen shit? Yeah, this is screen shit. Okay, so there is a distance thing where I'm shooting. By the way, this is like shooting kids in a sandbox. Too easy. Oh wait, ducks in a barrel. No, fish in a barrel is the proper expression. Babies in a barrel. Yeah, that's the expression I was looking for. Oh no. We've talked about this. It's not allowed. You can put the babies in the barrel, but you cannot shoot them. That was the sentiment, right? Or did I get it wrong again? Fuck, 65. I thought I could... Oh shit, I missed the platform. It's actually really hard to see where the platform is in regards to the camera. Wait, did he just kill me? Like properly? Fuck. And this is too long distance. I can't hit him from here. Oh shit, I missed the platform again. It puts the babies in the barrel, or it gets the hose again. Yep, that's it. Nobody puts baby in a barrel. The movie references are real now. The only way to win the baby is to put the baby in the barrel. Or not put the baby in the barrel. Fuck. I fucked that up. Oh well. Let's try the other Kenny project up. Starter was the thing, right? So let's try the city builder. Yeah, I'm deliberately not showing anything right now because the trying to avoid doxing myself. Okay. There we go. Nice. And then I think we need... Oh, it actually loaded immediately. Cool. Okay, so this is the city builder. Not sure how it works, but... Let's see if you have the... There it should be. No? Why isn't it showing up? There. Okay, so we have some sort of city building thing here. Okay, we can build motorways. We can put some lights. Can we... Okay, we can navigate with WASD. E switches the... Okay, so E gives us the next tile in the collection, and Q takes us back. And we can make ground. And a little dick. Not sure why we're building dildos in water, but we are. Oh, and a little house. There gotta be a way to rotate the building. Oh! Ha! Figure it out. I'm a fucking genius. I am a fucking genius. So yeah, we're just building a town. Not sure why we're building a town, but we are building a town. Yeah, there's some grass behind the... can I rotate? Oh, look at this. I can actually rotate. Oh, look at this. Yeah, we're building like a lawn back here. Nice, nice, good stuff. Oh, and some. And then we need. Oh, here we have the road again. Awesome. Oh, fuck. Why is it doing that? I'm having so much fun and you guys don't see shit. I was building all this, and you didn't see anything. Yeah, I think the thing is I don't want to do the have the screen capture because I don't want to show some stuff. But it seems like I can't avoid it. Because if I have the screen capture as opposed to having the now I'm using the window capture. Old man talks to computer, classic stream. Yep, that's me. Yeah, so I think I actually have to do the stream or the screen capture anyways. Sucks. This is pretty neat, I have to say. It's fun. It's really fun. Just building stuff like this. And like this is just a canny assets. I could make these things myself too, I think. And then we could have like, okay, I can't zoom in and out here, but this would be actually pretty fun. Yeah, I'm thinking about some sort of would be cool if you could have a game like this where you could just build just build stuff and then like build your own level like this and then you can just play it through. That would be so cool. So like you have the layout of the level is up to you. So you build your own level, but all the level objects like the sausages, the cheese, the enemies hunting you, and stuff like that will be dynamic. I don't know, maybe. Okay, so we tried the different starter kits now. I think you actually have another one that I haven't looked at that wasn't included there. Oh yeah, it's just a basic scene. He just added that one. I think it's like new just a couple of days ago. No, 3 months ago. Okay. Yeah, Kenny is a champ. Go, Kenny. Anyone who doesn't know who Kenny is just a guy making assets and stuff. He's really cool. So if we look at the... Oh, you had a... I didn't pay attention to the cache thing. Oh, so when I add stuff, it actually counts down from a sum. Oh, he's using the grid map, but he's using it dynamically. I'm also using the grid map in my game, but I'm using it like in the game editor to build the levels. And then I have objects here. While this game is taking advantage of the grid map, so we're actually... I'm just guessing now. So I'm guessing we're just placing stuff dynamically using the grid map. It's pretty nifty. So in this, we have the main scene like in the other templates or in the other starter kits. But here we have the builder instead of a player. And then the grid map is the world or the level. And then view is the camera. And then we have canvas layer, which is the HUD. Okay. So, wonder how the inherited scene thing works. Gonna have a look. Okay, so this is probably what I was looking for earlier. Scene organization. Covers topics related to the effective organization of scene content. How to build relationships effectively. Don't call her a bitch. Okay, that's lesson number 1. Sorry. When Godot users begin crafting their own scenes, they often run into this following problem. They create their first scenes and fill it with content, only to eventually end up saving branches of their scene into separate scenes, as the nagging feeling that they should split things up starts to accumulate. No shit. Been there. Or rather, I am there. They then noticed that the hard reference they were able to rely on before no longer possible. Yep, I'm there. Reusing the scene in multiple places creates issues. Actually, I'm reusing some scenes and it works well, but in other instances it doesn't work. Like the player example, for example. I have the level as a top node. So and then I have the player as a child node to the level, and that doesn't work. We will get there later on as well. Yep. To fix these problems, one must instantiate the subscenes without them requiring details about their environment. Yep. I get that. One needs to be able to trust that subscene will create itself without being picky about how one uses it. Yeah, I like when they're not picky how I use them. One of the biggest things to consider in object-oriented programming is maintaining focused singular purpose classes with loose coupling to other parts of the codebase. Yeah, hello. Um, yada 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 yada. Like, okay, if the scene interacts with external content, experienced developers recommend to use dependency injection. Yep. Okay, so this is, they are just going through like some basic stuff. Um, okay, here they are starting to actually get some concrete stuff. Connect to a signal. Extremely safe, but should be used only to respond to behavior, not start it. Okay. Oh yeah, yeah, connecting to a signal. We're not talking about emitting signals there. We're talking about connecting to signals. Yeah, so this is used because the ordering is important here. Like the child emits a signal and the parent catches it and responds to it. Call a method, yeah. Okay, this breaks me a little bit. If the parent has a child method name do, and the child assuming it has a string property method name, and a method do. Then I can call the parent defined method. Which child must own? Yeah, this is confusing to me. I don't get the how the Godot script thing works in this manner. Will probably be totally obvious once I fucking understand what it means. But yeah, we'll get there. Third way, instantialize a callable property. So this is some kind of loose coupling, and this is a more rigid way. Oh wait, this is monkey patching. Oh, okay. That make okay. Use duck typing unless you specify return types or input types in GDScript. Yeah, I'm confused about that. Just like how the whole node thing and the duck typing on top of that just haven't it have hasn't like I haven't wrapped my head around it yet. Yeah, I think the using types is the way to go, just to get everything to just work automatically. Oh, it actually has a performance impact? Huh. I thought that would be optimized. This just confuses me. I'm looking at this example and it's just confusing. Oh well. Actually, this was not what I was looking for. This was the thing I was looking for. Game should always have a sort of entry point, yeah. Now we're getting somewhere. When changing levels, you can then swap out the Children of the World node. Changing scenes manually gives user full control of how the game world transitions. Yeah, and then we have the singleton thing, which I've already looked into, so that's okay. And this is actually what I'm doing now, calling the scene tree changed scene to file. That's actually what I'm doing in my game when I change levels. And then the level it just switches to a scene, and then I have a new player object there, and then I have a singleton to keep things organized between scenes. Okay. If one has systems that modify other systems' data, one should define those as their own scripts or scenes rather than outlaws. Okay, not sure what that means, but by the way, I tried yesterday to export the game. And I successfully exported to as a Linux binary, as a Windows binary, and as a web project. So it was playable from a web page in the browser. Hmm. Yeah, so what I need to build in my project is basically um, so I need, here I have the root level is the level 1, but I do have a game scene, but I only have the main UI there. Could I just, if I add level 1, what happens? Ah, okay. This is, yeah, this is exactly what I was looking for earlier. So now instead of a gray background for the UI, like the starting of the game, we get the UI to show up on top of the level camera, which is exactly what I wanted. So now I just need to figure out how to put, like, I need to put this stuff. The lights are probably not, or actually they are. I mean, if I have different levels with different lighting, it should be a part of the level. So that's probably fine. Um, it's the character I need to put in the game. Not sure how I. And then the level has to be aware of the player object. I should probably make. I think I just remove this node and then make a new one. Yeah, we need to make the scene first. So let's save that. Make a new scene. That's level 3. Let's just add guess we could add a grid object immediately to it. Grid map. And then we need a mesh library there. Yeah. Should probably have a spawning point. Whoa. Okay, we need lighting in the level. To have any visible effect, world environments requires its environment. Oh yeah, I need a sky texture or something, I think. Need new environment. Then I need sky. And I need some sky. Okay, wait. Shouldn't this work? Let's see. We have a world environment with an environment, sky background. So why isn't that lit up in our scene? Okay, I don't get it. I think it should be lit. Okay, now it works. So what did I do wrong? Wait, why did I? Let's get it back. So only the first environment has effect in a scene, okay? Does it though? If I remove this, it turns black. Why the fudge? Okay, let's see. I wish I could compare nodes with each other just to see what differs between them. Can I have two inspectors open? Yeah, this SSR and SSAO shouldn't have any difference. It shouldn't make any difference. But let's just enable that for just to make sure we have the okay resources. Huh? No idea why. This is really tedious way to compare two things. Oh, source background. But this shouldn't. Ah, there it is. There it is. I forgot to make a procedural sky material. That's the reason. New procedural sky material. Bang. And there it is. Yeah, that was so frustrating. Couldn't figure out what was wrong. Why is the sun light working so much worse than I think it was the Omni I used before? Oh well, it doesn't matter. Let's just remove that. Can fix that later, dude. Make it better. So we have an environment, we have a sun, we have a grid map. That's all in the level. Then we go back to the game and we add an instance of our level. Um, Oh yeah, I don't have a camera, so that's why it fucks up. Let's add the character. This is a thing I find extremely confusing in Godot. The editor window, this file is actually the player variables.gd, but the tab on top of the editor shows game. This trips me up so much. And if I expand this list, oh, I don't know what I did there. Then it actually shows the correct open file. So the open file is not the tab up here. That's really weird. Yeah, if I choose the sound manager, for example, I have the sound manager here, but then I can have another script file selected. But you see, the tab doesn't change, the outliner for the scene doesn't change. So the tabs here are the scenes that are reflected in the outliner, not the file in the editor. The script file in the editor is controlled from this. Very confusing. So a lot of times I can be like on a scene. If I have like level 1 here, I click on the script icon and I get the main character script, and then I do something and I change something, and then suddenly I can be in sausage counter script file. But in this outliner it looks like I'm doing something related to world environment or on level 1, but I'm actually in the sausage counter script file. Yeah, it's even hard to explain the confusion. It's even hard to explain how confusing it is. And this script doesn't have to have anything to do with the scene that is actually shown on the tab. So just navigating around the script files are very confusing. And I think eventually I will probably start to use an external editor for editing files and not use the Godot editor for several reasons, but I don't know. It's really good at the lookup thing, the auto completion, and access to documentation is really quick. But yeah, probably Vim. Yeah. Okay, back to, because the thing is, I don't want to have this open all the time. Just to make sure I don't get confused what file I am currently editing in. Also, I hate this shit. This is just dumb. So yeah, I think I need No, I usually don't have this open. Is Doggo in? Yeah. Yeah, I see her. That's not my dog. It's just a stray dog that walked in through my door, and she lives here now. No, actually, I'm just taking care of her over the weekend. My dog is still not in the room. she's she's so funny, just sitting there. Hi, I'm here. I'm just here. Why was the window outside? Oh, it's showing the wrong one. That shouldn't be shown. Hmm. So yeah, I think I need to make just duplicate this scene. Is there a good way to do that? I just want to... New scene, save scene as, save all scenes. Thing is, I want to create a new scene from this. Yeah, that's one thing I also haven't figured out how to do in Godot. It's a very simple thing I want to do here. I want to just take the main character. Here it is. This I want to duplicate. Actually, this I want to duplicate. There it is. If I duplicate this, let's call it player. Okay, so it duplicates the scene. But it's still... I kind of expected it to rename this. Because now this references the main character, GD, this script. I want... So, I didn't want the same thing here. Yeah, there's no alternative to duplicate. I can create another instance, but I don't want to create an instance. I want to actually create a copy of it. I wonder if move duplicate to does something. Why do we want to copy? Because I want to mess it up. And I don't want to mess up the one I had. So I basically just want to make a copy where I want to try something out. So I want to fuck it up. Or I will fuck it up, I mean. I don't want to move it. Git switch C, fuck up. Oh, I actually haven't made a Git project of it right yet. So yeah, I should probably do that. But so far I'm just playing around. Fuck this. So duplicate that to player. And then... How the oh. If I have the player scene open here now, how do I connect it to the proper... Ah, there we go. So I connect it to player. Oops. What did I do? Yeah, this is confusing as fuck. Okay, so now I have an unsaved file here. That's probably what I want to... I don't know what I did. Yeah, no, this is not the... Fuck. I have no clue what I'm doing here. Script. Why is this... So if I go to main character... Oh, whoa. What the fuck? Now the script here is suddenly pointing to player to the scene? Why? Yeah, I think I actually fucked it up. Proper. Everything is just fucked up here now. I have no idea what fucking scene is pointing to what fucking script. Discard that shit. Can I... Can I associate it somehow? Okay, that was simple enough. Just dragged and dropped. Save that shit. Then go to main character. Is it still fucked? Yeah, it's still fucked. So this script is now player, which is totally wrong. It's supposed to be main character still. Now it's main character. So close this shit. Also, I don't think that looked to me like it was some sort of memory instance. So yeah, I think we finally have 2 copies of the same scene that has another name and is actually pointing somewhere else. Still have the player message and sausage counter. Although these I can remove from this node because they are not needed there. They are actually in the game now, here in the main UI. So let's see if we can run this now. Nope. Wait, why is this? Oh, never mind. This is the wrong thing. I have a main character. I should have a player. So let's instance a player. There we go. Okay, never mind. Now, maybe should UI be on top? Probably should. Invalid set index text. Okay. Yeah, so we do not, I can actually delete the entire function. The counters can be removed. Okay, cool. Actually works. As intended. So what I need to do is wait, let's go to player to the see where it spawns. Position is 0, 0, 0, so it should be in the middle of the world. And the grid map is also in the middle of the world. So why is, oh yeah, the grid map should be lower, I think. Oops. Oops. I thought I was, hang on. How do I actually select the, okay, I need to press escape first. Okay. So we need to pull down the grid. I think minus. Let's build an entire floor here. We should have half blocks. There we go. Now I think we should be able to run it. Run the game without falling through. No, okay, it was still not on top. So pull down the grid map, just pull it down properly. Game, run. There we go. Okay. So why is the player falling down through? And why does it look like that? This is weird. Why is there an orange cube like this? For the level? Vector pointing upwards, used to determine what is a wall and what is a floor. Okay, yeah, that's all right. And so it's in the middle of, let's see. Why is the player, oh yeah, it's the camera, that's why. So the entire, like the player scene is taking up this big space. Still looks like it's below the floor though. This is very confusing. I don't understand the... Okay, let's go back to the player. So, yeah, that's perspective. This should be the camera preview. Then we have the player mesh instance. It's 0, 0, 0. The scale is 1. The geometry is size is 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter. So if the floor is like 1 meter down, it should be okay. Let's try that out. So the grid map needs to be -1 should be enough. Didn't I try that? Yeah, I tried that and that was not enough. I can't understand why. Let's try 2. Because they are both from the... they should be... But where is the... I don't have a control here either. I should have control of the player though. Yeah, you can't see the game window. There's the game window. Oh yeah. Okay, so I do have... Okay. Do have everything working here, but... What I don't understand is the positioning of things. Oh, wait, I'm probably not supposed to change the position on the node here. Um, Same with the player. The player transform should be 0, 0, 0. And then I should on the game. Okay. So if I have the player is 1 meter high and the position is inside it. So it should be I mean, this should be the origin point for the player object. And the player object is 1 meter. So if I put the origin 1 meter, hello Abel Bacon, who's the sofa king? Oh, it's just so fucking... It's sofa... You can't just say sofa king, you need to say sofa kingdom. Because when I play StarCraft 2, everything is dumb. Or in other words, it's so fucking dumb. But since I'm a Swede, I don't pronounce stuff very well all the time. So, sofa kingdom and so fucking dumb is the joke. So I guess I'm the sofa king. Still don't get this shit though. If the world origin is 0, 0, 0, the cube here is supposed to be a meter. And I set the origin to be 1 meter above the... Oh wait, I'm not taking into account the size of the floor. Which also is a meter. But I set that 1 meter below. So actually I shouldn't have to change the position, the origin of the player at all. It must be something I don't understand here. Because the player cube should not be, the player object, which is the blue cube, should not be inside the grid. Weird. Weird as fuck. I'm just a fool in the kingdom, yeah. Okay, let's see then. Let's see the level 3 object. Have the grid map is set to the origin. And the level object is also origin, like it should be. So why can't I position this properly? This beats the shit out of me. I mean, I can just put the level 2 meters below and it's fine. But it just annoys me that I can't understand why this is the case. I'm just a fool. So this behaves like the player object is it's in the wrong. This works fine, but kind of shouldn't. Wait, if I just... Yeah, I'm gonna close that. And then we just take a look at from the... Let's see. Front... No, that's the top view. Right view, front view. So yeah, this is the player object. It's 1 meter high, so it's half a meter above the origin and half a meter below. Let's hide that, show the level. This should be 1 meter. Which, if I show the player object, it proves that, yeah, it is. The problem here is that if the player is set 1 meter up, then it should be above the level, which it is. Yeah, which doesn't make sense because the level is lowered 1.5 meters. So why the fudge? Yeah, this is the problem here. Why is the... Go to player, to level 3. Take the grid map. Show it from the front. Yeah, this is the problem here. The origin is set a lot lower than I expect. Nothing makes sense. Yeah, that's why this is the Sofa Kingdom. Nothing makes sense. But I think I understand now, at least. Yeah, I don't understand why the grid map origin is here. And if I put a... Let's see, if I put a block... Oh, it's me. Of course it's me. I'm an idiot. Oh, finally, it all makes fucking sense. Now, you know why? If I have 3 types of blocks. I have a half block and I have a half block top. A full block is 2 meters. A half block is 1 meter from the origin of a normal block. A half block top is like the top part of a block. So its origin is actually 1 meter up. And I built the entire floor off of half block top. So this is the top. It just makes perfect fucking sense. Look at this. The origin for the 2 meter block is perfect. This is the half top blocks. I blocked myself. I really did. So we can, let's see if I can understand how to delete this shit now. There it is. And how do we delete stuff? Clear selection. Yeah, nice. So now we take a half block and we make a new floor. I fill it with half blocks. Then we look at it from the side and we have the origin in the place where we expect it to be. So save the level, go back to the game. And now the origin is perfect and we have the player on top. All makes sense now. So now we can actually set the origin properly. Like it should be 0.5, yeah. Yeah. Oh, it all makes sense. All makes perfect sense. Isn't this wonderful? Look at this beauty. Actually, I think we should set the... Wonder if it should be... Yeah, let's put it 2 below and then we just use 0, 0 for... Actually, that doesn't work either. Yeah, we need the player to be on top. Yeah, I think this is what we want. This doesn't make sense. No, wait, I'm stupid. It's probably the thing I say most at work. Yeah, I know the feeling. I once worked with a guy that was so funny because every time he found something wrong, something not working with the code base, or not every time, but a lot of the time, he was like, "Oh, I found a bug in Linux." And in the kernel. We were like, "No, you didn't." "Yeah, I did. And then he came back after a while and was just like, "No, it wasn't the kernel. It was my code." I mean, of course it was. But yeah. That's hubris. Okay. Now we have the new setup actually working. We can play with the controller. Yay. It's possible, but not really plausible. Yeah, that's true. That's true. It was just a fun thing he did. Okay, I think this is cool. I need to figure out how the omnidirectional light works, though. Did that show up, by the way? It did. No, it just showed the Godot window. There it is. No, it's not updating. This just drives me nuts. Yeah, now. This is so dumb. Yeah, we have no collisions or anything, so we're just gonna fall forever. Cool, but yeah. Had it happen twice that it wasn't my code, but a bug in a library. That kind of satisfaction is hard to beat. Meanwhile, at my job, we discovered major bugs in Dell's Redfish implementation and our related Ansible modules. Yeah, I mean, Dell. I don't know. They have never been known for having good software. They make awesome hardware, though. But yeah, I remember working with Dell hardware, and there was like bugs and shit in their drivers even. So I think it was a SCSI drive that was bugged. We had to work around. Can't remember what it was. It was not the driver. It was some additional, some manager software of some sort that just had to be restarted. Was it was something about, no, we had to unload the kernel module, I think, and reload it every now and then. Something like that. Their server hardware and the iDRAC platform, top notch, yeah. Yeah, I remember being real happy about the hardware, but not so much about the software or manager stuff. Okay, so I'm starting to figure out how to re-implement stuff now. So this is the base structure for the game. We're gonna have a game root object or a root scene. And that's going to have the main UI component, the player, and then level objects. And this level objects probably need another node here, and then the level. So that node can be responsible for unloading and loading new levels. Seems cool. Good enough, I'd say. So now I need to figure out how the main UI component works. Let's see. I shouldn't call it main UI either. Not sure about renaming stuff in Godot either. Where did it go? Main. Wait, did I? Oh, I have a UI. Oh, look at this. Look at me being structured. Yeah. I guess you should use the move. Is that the refactoring thing you do in Godot? No, it just moves in the file system structure. Let's see if the documentation has anything about restructuring or refactoring stuff. Nope. Love discovering my own earliest structure and preparedness when opening an old object. Yeah, that's a good feeling. That's a good feeling. There's also the opposite of that feeling. What the fuck did I think? Or why didn't I do this? Okay, let's just rename this and see. Let's rename it HUD, probably. Because it's gonna be a HUD. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it still remains named main UI. So do I really need to so okay. I guess you have to manually rename everything. Doing a git to blame and seeing it was you. Oh, that's a classic. That's a classic. I got into a heated argument once, which ended up with, I think it was we were using Subversion back then, but yeah, we went, pulled the log and just to see who actually changed the line of code that was in the, we were debating, and it was me. And I was like, okay, never mind. I'll take the blame for this one. Because it was obviously me. Can you drag stuff around? No. You can only select object in this. I need to learn how this control, the layout and stuff works. I hate stuff like this. It's so annoying. This is obviously a setup. Yeah. So this is where I start. I have a vertical box container and a horizontal box container. Not sure I need the vertical here. Or actually, maybe I do. Yeah, this is what I'm not familiar with. Why is the properties for alignment up here and not over here? This node is a child of a container, yeah, I know. I added it. Oh, here is the container sizing. So it's under layout, container sizing. Okay. And we have an alignment here too. That says begin. Why isn't it center? Oh no, it's begin because the horizontal box container inside should be at the beginning there. Wait, isn't... Oh fuck, I hate layout. Stuff like this just drives me nuts. Wonder what kind of containers I can have in here. So let's clear. Control, container. We have box container, center container, flow container, graph element. Oh. Why, okay. This was an odd place to find a color picker, but okay. Wait, you can't see the window I have open, the node window? Never mind. That's annoying. Yeah, I need to, when I do these sessions, I need to do screen capture and not window capture. Because everything I click that has its own window, you don't see. We saw you make a funny face. Yeah. I'm just looking up all the nodes that I can add. And it's, yeah, it's a fucking mess. No, that's rough. I didn't mean that. Oh, grid container. That's what I think what I was looking for. A container that arranges its child controls in a grid layout. Yeah, that's probably what I want. Let's add one of those. Directly in the margin container. And then we add the label to the grid container. That's awesome. And then we just remove this shit. Remove that. So what if I add another label to this? Control label. Then I get it immediately below. Why? Oh, because I have set it to one column. And if I set it to 2 columns, I get it immediately there. Okay, nice. Can I get it to fill? Only horizontal? That does not seem to... I basically just want to divide this with 3 labels, one to the left, one in the middle, and one to the right. It should be a property on the grid container, shouldn't it? Because I want these two grid cells to just expand. Okay. Horizontal fill, why? Shouldn't that work? Stretch ratio. If the node and at least one of its neighbors uses the size expand size flag, the parent container will let it take more or less space depending on its property. Okay. What adds? Maybe I don't want a grid container after all. Maybe I want something else. Yeah, I think I need a box container after all. Hmm. Hmm. There we go. And then we have fill. So this is fucking mental. Hmm. I'm expecting these two labels to just like share the, since the box container is set to fill, and we can see the rectangle, how much it fills. And then set the label, both these labels, to fill. Shouldn't they expand to share the? Maybe this is the alignment of the text only. No, wait. Doesn't make sense, does it? Fill horizontal. Expand. Oh, look, I found the found the expand button. There we go. There we go. Now I just need to figure out why it took space and expanded the text. Because okay, wow. These settings are going to fuck me over so many times. I can already tell. I'm gonna be tripped up so many times. So if I have fill on horizontal alignment here, it's just gonna stretch everything out for the text and just these flags are probably a lot of... Yeah. Okay, so this was the culprit actually. Wow. Yeah, this is gonna drive me nuts. I can tell already. Or maybe not. Okay. So at least we're gonna have a tries counter, and we're gonna have a sausage counter. I like the double meaning of that. And then we need another label that is supposed to be the time label. Actually, let's rename those two labels. So tries label and sausage label. Where did the... I think we need to set this also to fill and expand. Yeah, we need expand time. Actually, I can... Should I set... Maybe I should set something like this just to make it different from if I actually had 0 time. If I use pound signs or hashtags, hash sign, it will actually tell me that the game hasn't influenced the input yet. Same thing here. That's just something to keep me sane when debugging. I wonder if I need to set that container sizing to expand to. If I do that, I need to center. Oh shit, I'm getting the hang of this now. Holy shit. It's almost like I know what I'm doing. I had to Google Kashida justification. Now I'm disappointed in the Latin alphabet. Okay, I have no clue what it is, and I actually just refrained from Googling it because I felt that it smelled like a rabbit hole. But just because you said it, damn. Now I kind of have to. Let's see. Typographic alignment. Okay. Using Kashida. Oh. It's a way to justify Arabic and Persian text by elongating horizontal lines in the characters instead of the white spaces between them. That sounds so much more elegant. Wonder if there's any examples of normal Kashida. Oh yeah, this is actually pretty cool. Huh. Actually, I don't know. I don't know. I wonder how it would look in Comic Sans. Fuck off. Comic Sans. Oh man. That's so funny. Okay, so with the HUD actually done, this should look pretty cool if we run it, right? So now we have tries, we have the timer, and we have sausage. Nice. Nice. Wonder if the other shit still works. Yeah, the original stuff works. But it's still the game window problem. There we go. So we still have our original game here. With the best game sound ever. Can you see the trap on the stone there? The small emitting something is a particle system. Just to indicate that there's something fishy with the tile. So I can't walk on that. Oh shit. I changed the hitbox to be a little bit bigger. So now I can't... Ah, shit. I can't even jump over it. I need to actually avoid it properly. Okay. That needs to be corrected. I still just love the sound. How would it look in Comic Sans? Oh, look at this. It wrapped around. I forgot that the last thing it does is actually loading the game. The game scene. I forgot about that. So now we just jump into this level. And I think I figured the stuff out that I wanted to figure out for now. So I'm really happy with that. So next step is to just remake a lot of the stuff to make it work with the new HUD. Well, with the HUD and the game. And then just make some kind of loading mechanism for the levels. And after that, I think I need to go back to making models so we can make proper models. Also, I'm thinking about changing the tile set. It actually looks horrible right now. Because the current... Whoa. Wait. What the fuck? Why did it... Huh? This was weird as fuck. It actually loaded Blender into the game window. Yeah. When it comes to window capture, OBS sucks. I'm just gonna say it. Yeah, I need to figure out how to handle OBS better. Anyway, I was going to show the blocks. So this is actually the blocks we're using now. If we turn on the rendered mode and we turn off the collision. And this is a little bit tedious. I need to figure out how to handle the collision objects better. Because every object has a child object that is used for collision only. So the collision object is a lot simpler. I mean, we could actually do... If we just like turn off all the... Wait. That should be turned off too. And then we have... Yeah, so if we take this block, we have a collision block inside it. So if I go into... Actually, I don't know how to... Can I select only the block? How does that work? I should be able to select connected only. Yeah, there we go. So this is the thing I was talking about. So we have just a cube that is used for collision. And then we have another block here that has a textured surface and beveled edges, while the collision object is just a plain cube. No bevels, no nothing. But yeah, the blocks looks just fucking terrible. That's something to work on. Anyways, I think I'm done for now. So, I don't know. I'm gonna raid Vindicta. And then I'll probably be back with a short StarCraft 2 stream later on. So, thanks for hanging out, everybody. And take care.